There's one thing I'm good at.
No.
The mission was to find out what they knew, but that's kind of difficult now that you killed everyone.
Watch me! Do this!
You'll be on surveillance with Bobby.
Oh, boss, I thought you were serious.
Get out.
4th grade at Oak Tree Charter.
Yeah, I could definitely take.
Are you CIA?
Cameras tonight be streaming.
You're watching her.
Oh my God, there she is!
No, wait. Oh my God.
Oh, my daughter! He has muscles the size of hams. Todd, did you see that? I know, Todd can't believe it either.
Kill her. Into the stairs.
What? Wow, still recorded.
It's good.
We can cut a deal. I want you to teach me how to be a spy.
I am not teaching you anything.
I think you could.
Get past me. I'm just dealing with terrorists.
Kez finds those plans and sells them to a czar. Boom.
Kate, I wouldn't.
Hold on!
You have reached your destination.
Whoa, not what I expected.
Going to the discotheque.